In this video and two more to follow, I am going to show you how to format tables in Microsoft Word. In this part, I am covering 4 topics: merging cells, splitting cells, aligning text within cells, and shading cells. I have used the Word software included in Microsoft 365, but the same instructions would apply to earlier versions of Word as well. There are 3 methods for merging cells. Method 1. If you wish to merge these 3 cells, select them. Click the Layout tab and select Merge Cells. The cells are merged. Method 2. This time let us merge these 4 cells. So select them, then right click on your mouse. When you get this shortcut menu, click Merge Cells and the cells are merged. Method 3. You can use the Eraser tool on Layout tab to merge cells. We will merge these 4 cells this time using the Eraser tool. So click the eraser and bring the cursor back on the document when it turns into the shape of an eraser. Now click within the cells and draw this brown rectangle over the lines to be erased and click again. And those lines are gone and the cells are merged. And once you have finished merging cells using the eraser, don't forget to click the eraser tool again to bring your cursor back to the original I-beam shape. So this is how you merge cells in a table in Microsoft Word. You can split a cell into a number of rows or a number of columns. You can also split a cell into rows and columns at the same time. Let me show you how. There are 2 methods. Method 1. Click in the cell that you wish to split. Click Layout tab and select Split Cells. The Split Cells dialog box comes up. If you want to split the cell into 2 rows, we enter 2 in the rows box and 1 in the column box. OK. The cell is split into 2 rows. The next cell, we wish to split this into 3 columns. So click in the cell and split cells. In the split cells dialog box, we enter 3 in the columns box and 1 in the rows box. OK. The cell has been split into 3 columns. Now let us try to split this cell into 3 rows and 3 columns. So we click in the cell, then split cells. We enter 3 in the column box and 3 in the rows box. OK. So the cell has been split into 3 rows and 3 columns. Now we move to method 2. You can split a cell using the Draw Table tool on Layout tab. So first click in the cell that is to be split. Go to Draw Table. And when you bring the cursor back on the document, it will turn into a pencil. To split this cell into 2 rows, we draw a horizontal line in this cell by clicking at one end and dragging it to the other end and click again. So it is split into 2 rows. If we wish to split this cell into 2 columns, we have to draw a vertical line. So click and drag vertically downwards and click again. So this cell has been split into 2 columns. So this is how you use the Draw Table tool to split cells. Once you are finished with the Draw Table tool, click it again to bring your cursor back to I-beam shape. While working with tables in Microsoft Word, you may be required to align text within cells horizontally to the left, right, or center. You can do this by using alignment buttons on Home toolbar. These are the alignment buttons. This is for aligning right, center, and left. So to apply the alignment, click within the cell and then click the alignment button. So right, center, left. To apply same alignment within all cells of a row, select the row and then click the alignment button. To apply the same alignment to all cells in a column, select the column and click the alignment button. To apply same alignment to all cells within the entire table, select all the cells and then click the alignment button. Now here a word of caution. For applying same alignment to all cells in a table, don't select the table itself by clicking on this small square which is called the table selector. If you do that and then use the alignment button, it will align the table within the margins of the page. It will have no effect on the alignment of text within cells. Next, we look at vertical alignment. In this table, we will see that there may be a need of vertical alignment because there is so much space between the text and the bottom of the cells. You can modify the vertical alignment using alignment buttons on the Layout tab. So click Layout, and these are the 9 buttons which modify not only vertical alignment but also the horizontal alignment. You have seen that for horizontal alignment, there are 3 possible positions: left, right, and center. For vertical alignment, also there are 3 possible positions: top, center, and bottom. So these 9 buttons present a combination of these possible vertical and horizontal alignment positions. Just hover the cursor over the button and you will see this will align text to top left, this is top center, this is top right, this is center left, this is center both horizontally vertically, this is center right, this is bottom left, bottom center, bottom right. Now let us see how to use these buttons. First, click in the cell where you wish to change the alignment and then click the button here. So you can see how the vertical and horizontal alignments are changing after the click of button. If you wish to apply the same vertical and horizontal alignment to all cells in a row, select the row and then use the alignment buttons. For applying same alignment to all cells in a column, select the column and then the alignment buttons. For applying the same alignment to all cells in a table, select the cells, all cells within the table and click at the end and then apply the alignment. Cells in this Word table before you on the screen are all white in color. Word provides functionality to color the insides of cells in various shades. You can do this in 2 ways. Method 1. Click the cell, click Table Design tab. You will find this shading tool on this toolbar. Click it and you get a drop-down palette of colors. You can choose your color from this palette. Move the cursor over the palette and you will see a preview of the color that will be applied to the cell. You go to this green color and click, so you get that color in the cell. Method 2. Select the cell to be colored. When you see this mini toolbar, and you will find the shading tool here as well. Click it and choose color from the palette. If you wish to color an entire row, select it and choose color from the drop down palette of the shading tool. If you want to color an entire column, select it, shading tool, choose color. And for coloring the entire table, choose the table, shading tool and select the color. Thanks for watching. Do like and share this video. If you would like to see how-to videos on any other feature of Microsoft Word, please mention in the comment section below. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you are informed of the next video when it is uploaded.